Hey Matt, thank you for requesting this video today. Today I want to talk about carpet cleaning, Sacramento, water damage restoration. But before we get into that, I do want to shed some light on the three different ways on how you could be found on Google. So with that, let's move along there. So let's just say that you type in water damage restoration Sacramento. Now, these are the top three things that'll pop up. First thing is your sponsoreds, where you'll have um, pay for ads, where you'll end up here. Second way on how you can be found is what's called the Google Business Profile, and that is the map pack area. These three positions here, 30% of your business will be found through here. In order to obtain these positions, you need to optimize your Google Business Profile, bringing up citations and also reviews and photos. Third way you can be found is the organic section, which is Angie. We have Angie ATI Restoration Service Master Restore. Now Angie is a national corporation, so the reason why they are up here is because they're pushing at a national level. ATI Restoration is pushing locally, so we'd have to beat ATI. So once you beat ATI, you beat Angie. So with that, in a nutshell, about 70% of your business will be found through here. So if you're not in any of those positions, you're definitely leaving money on the table. So with that, let's get started. So let's take a quick look at your website. I like your logo, looks pretty cool. Carpet cleaning header up here. Nice, I like it. Alright, so let's check and see your content. You got a keyword, looks like you got a keyword here. Okay, so content is king, that's what Google looks for. And in order to be optimal in your content, you need at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage alone. So for every 250 words of that content, you need what you have here, a keyword embedded inside of that. So in a nutshell, that's pretty much what Google looks for as far as content goes. Let's take a quick look at your competitor's website and how they look. And they don't, Google really don't care on how good your website looks. They care mainly on the content and how you're optimizing your website. So I just thought I'd add that in there. So it looks like you have more content than ATI. So again, um, Google doesn't care really what on how good it looks. They really care about content. Now, the reason why ATI is ranking is because of their proper SEO backlinking and what they're doing. So let's take a quick look at yours and your backlink profile. So this is the strength and the trust is what we're looking at here for Carpet Cleaning Sacramento Pro. 398 backlinks are going to your website. So you are generating a total of 356 traffic going through your website. Now, I'm a true believer you can definitely optimize it and do more. Now let's take a quick look at your keywords. Now these are the keywords that you are using currently with your website. So you have, it looks like about 4 pages of that. So let's see, 190 keywords is what they are. Google's showing 188. So these are the actual keywords that are doing you justice. These are the traffic, where it shows where each keyword is generating. So let's take a quick look at your competitors' website and their backlink story. So they do have almost a half strength, a half, this is a scale of a 100. And they also have a decent amount of trust, but you want these two numbers here to kind of be pretty close together. So with that, they are generating a whopping 7.6 thousand traffic going to their website. Wow, that's pretty impressive. But they can also use some work as well. So they're not definitely optimizing their website, but with proper SEO backlinking and also proper SEO techniques, you could definitely bring your site above these guys and past them. So with that, Matt, that's pretty much all I have for you. Let's do a quick recap on the 3 different ways on how you can be found. So way number 1, sponsored up here. Excuse me, one of the ways. Second way is your Google Business Profile with your citations and also optimizing photos, things of that nature to land you up here. You'll get 30% of all the customers in that area. 70% if you want to if you want to be in these 3 top slots here. Now Angie's dominating here, so you're paying for Angie. You might be found up here, but it's better to get all the leads. And why not? I mean, if you're going in, might as well go all in. And if, like I said, if you're not up in these areas, definitely leaving money on the table for you and your business. So with that, Matt, I hope this information is useful to you. Just kind of wanted to give you some free information to kind of help guide you on your journey. So if you happen to need someone to help you in that journey, please feel free to contact me. My name is Joshua. I'm with Peterson SEO. You can contact me at 505-331-7995, or you can reach my email at Joshua at petersonseoconsulting.com. Thank you, Matt, and I hope the rest of the day is good to you. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.